Hello everyone. I am sorry I missed out one concept which is yung human relations theory. So that is the Hawthorne Studies by Alton Mayo. So this idea became popular because of the Hawthorne experiment which was conducted by Alton Mayo and his research team. So nag-conduct sila ng experiment and it was conducted in the Western Electric Company which is located in Hawthorne Works in Chicago. So ang goal ng study na ito is they wanted to know kung ano yung factors na makapag-i-improve ng productivity and efficiency ng employee. So one thing that they consider was to test the illumination o yung liwanag sa kanilang factory. So at first, so the researchers believe that better lighting would automatically increase the productivity. And interestingly, nag-improve yung productivity because of that lighting. But there is a surprising part. Even when the researchers reduced the lighting again, productivity still continued to increase. So that researchers realized that the improvement in productivity was not really about with the lighting or on the illumination. Instead, employees work better because they felt that someone was paying attention to them. Mayroong tumitingin, may nagbabantay. They felt observed, valued, and important. And this idea later become known as the Hawthorne effect, meaning people tend to improve their performance when they know they are being observed or when they feel that management cares about them. So, in real life situation, for example, imagine nagtatrabaho ka isang company where the manager or even the CEO occasionally visits the employees, nakikipag-usap, nakikipag-interact. Kapag ganun, di ba nakakatuwa kasi nararamdaman natin as an employee na napapansin nila tayo and mahalaga yung ginagawa natin. Actually, based on my experience as well, with my companies na napuntahan ko, nandoon yung CEO, nakikipag-interact sila directly with the employees, kumustahan, and tinatanong kami ano yung nararamdaman namin. And because of that interaction, as an employee, I feel it actually gives more motivation and nararamdaman ko na na-appreciate ako. So the key lesson here is that employee productivity is not only influenced by physical conditions like salary or lighting, but also by psychological and social factors. And for our key takeaway, so, the human relations theory reminds us that organization should not only focus on systems and productivity, but also on people, relationships, and employee well-being. Because sometimes simple recognition and attention from the management can already increase the motivation and performance. So once again, thank you so much and have a great day.